So hi everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. I am going to show you how to apply basic number formatting in Excel that includes turning numbers into currency, percentages, and more with just a few clicks. So without wasting time, let us start. So here I have my sample data, uh, the products, the price, the discount, and the tax rate. And what you realize is these are just written numbers and they don't have symbol on them. So the price, is it in form of dollars or any other currency? Then the discount, is it in percentage or the same as the tax rate? So to make sure that you display your information well and you communicate, let me show you how to do that. So you can select your column, the price column like this, then go to the home tab, then you will find this tab. The first method is you can come to this ribbon here where it's written number, then you can find this drop down arrow. Once you click on it like that, it will take you to this category place where you have numbers, you have currency, you have accounting, you have dates. So let's say, for example, I want to convert my prices into currency, then I'll just click on currency, then click OK. Then you can see the sign dollar, the dollar sign is here. It is written there. Let's say I want to convert my discount into percentages. I will still do the same. Just go back here, then I'll look for the percentages, click on it, then click OK. Then you can see the percentages will be written there. Then the other thing that you can also do, you can also, let me say I want to change the tax rate. Let me say I apply the accounting, and I click on it like that. But the difference between the accounting and the dollar sign or the currency is you can see this dollar sign, there is taken to the left section of your cell, then the number is here, just separated from it for clarity and all that. This one might bring confusion, but you can use either. So then you can also go ahead. This is the first method, or you can go to this section where you just click on it. Then you can see the way you can do that. You can convert your numbers into fractions. You have different information here. You have currency, numbers, and all that. So if I want to take back, for example, you just select this column, then you go back, then you select number, then you go back with to your column having just numbers in your Excel file. So that is how you can apply simple basics or formattings in your Excel to make sure that you have a good and clean slate. So if this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let us know what you would like to learn next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.